Hello everybody, today I will be unboxing this Sylvania portable CD boombox with Bluetooth and AUX. So let's get started. Bought this on Craigslist for only 20 bucks. Here's your owner's manual, as you can see, with all the information. It's barely used even though it's off of Craigslist. And then let's get this thing out. This does have an FM radio antenna. It's expandable. It's been a long time since I last did a video, so I figured why not make this unboxing. I really needed a CD player. It also runs off batteries too, so which is nice. Here's your display. It's practically brand new. Yeah, the owner said it was only used once, so yeah, here's your battery cover. I'm actually gonna, yeah, it's pretty hard to open with one hand while the other is holding a 2-pound camera, but so here it is. Here's your AUX, and here's your power charger. Yeah. And here's the handle. So very cool, very nice. And in here you get this power cord and nothing else in the box. So that is pretty much it. I will run a CD on it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, stay tuned for more videos and stay subscribed. A review video for it coming up. So thanks for watching.